that shook Karnataka, the mystery of N. Somashekar versus State of Karnataka, 1991. A high-ranking police officer, a mysterious death in a swimming pool, and a case that shook Karnataka's legal system. What really happened on that fateful evening at the Lalitha Mahal Palace Hotel, and why did this case reach the Supreme Court of India? Stay tuned as we uncover the shocking details of the N. Somashekar versus State of Karnataka 1991 case. Our story begins on April 7, 1991, at the luxurious Lalitha Mahal Palace Hotel in Mysore, Karnataka. The hotel's lifeguard, P.K. Uthappa, was watching over guests in the swimming pool when suddenly a man jumped in and never resurfaced. Panic spread across the poolside as hotel staff rushed to pull the lifeless body of an unknown man from the water. The Nazarbad police station was informed and an unnatural death report, UDR number 7/1991, was filed. At first it seemed like accidental drowning, a tragic mishap, nothing more. But this was just the beginning of a chilling mystery. The victim was identified as Satyadev, a young man who was at the pool that evening. But his mother, Mr. Lalitha, wasn't convinced. Why? Because the post-mortem report revealed injuries on his face, nose, and neck, injuries inconsistent with drowning. This raised a crucial question. Was this really an accident, or was it murder? Soon, shocking witness accounts emerged pointing to a powerful police officer, N. Somashekar, a senior officer of the Karnataka police. According to eyewitnesses, Somashekar was at the pool that evening, and he had a reason to be furious. Eyewitnesses claimed that Satyadev had been laughing and teasing a woman in a swimsuit. That woman was Shamantha Kamani, the wife of N. Somashekar. Enraged, Somashekar allegedly confronted Satyadev, slapped him, struck him on the neck, and knocked him unconscious. Moments later, Satyadev sank to the bottom of the pool. Doctors later concluded that the cause of death was vagal inhibition, a sudden cardiac arrest triggered by a blow to the neck. This wasn't just an accident, it was homicide. As evidence piled up, the Karnataka CID took over the case. On June 5, 1991, N. Somashekar was arrested and charged under Sections 302, murder, 201, destruction of evidence, and 506, criminal intimidation of the IPC. But Somashekar wasn't going down without a fight. His bail application was rejected multiple times, with courts citing the seriousness of the offense, the possibility of witness intimidation, the risk of evidence tampering. The case went to trial, where the trial court surprisingly acquitted him. But that wasn't the end. The state of Karnataka challenged the acquittal in the Karnataka High Court. The High Court overturned the decision, convicting Somashekar under Section 304 Part 2, culpable homicide not amounting to murder, and Section 201, tampering with evidence. His punishment? 3 years of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of Rs. 1 lakh. But the legal battle wasn't over yet. Somashekar appealed to the Supreme Court. However, during the proceedings, he passed away. The Supreme Court upheld the High Court's findings, but reduced the fine to Rs. 50,000. And with that, the case was finally closed. Under Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS 2023, this case would still be classified under Section 101 murder and Section 211 destruction of evidence. The principles of bail and serious offenses remain unchanged under the new law. This case is a crucial example of how no one is above the law, even those who enforce it. So what do you think? Was justice truly served? Should Somashekar have received a harsher punishment? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life legal stories that will leave you shocked and informed.